Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect NinjaTrader to barchart.com. So what you'll need to do is open NinjaTrader control panel and go to the connections. Right here, click on configure and select barchart.com in the available connections. Then go and add this. Then connection name, you can set a custom name for your connection, and right here you can connect on startup if you want to, and put username and password. But before you add username, your bar chart username must start with NT and password. So this is the dedicated data feed for NinjaTrader platform to pull a real-time and historical market data from bar chart. So basically, if you don't have that, you can contact support and basically they will give you an instructions. After that, after you put the username and password, click apply and OK. And basically after that, in the connections, you'll see your bar chart data feed and you'll be able to connect it from here. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.